Hot mess up here on the radio tonight. It's a hot mess up here on the radio tonight.
420. Hey, John Boy, 420, right Gordon. John Boy, Tennessee, 420, breaker. John Boy. John Boy.
Okay, we're going to slide up one more channel. We'll get everything ready. I'll do a little power test here real quick. Please stand by. Man, I just done about 2 minutes worth of video and forgot to hit the record button again. What a dork. Well, my goodness. I guess old weed killer up here talking to himself up in the Buckeye today. I got too many lights on. I got reflections going everywhere. Anyway, couple 100 milliwatts of reflect. Trying to make sure this amp's working tonight. Hello, radio. 700 weed killer down here in the Buckeye. Just scratching around. Breaker. Who is that? Do I hear pistol grip out there? Hey, 127 pistol grip. You got a copy on an old weed killer up here trying to make some noise, Breaker?
No, did he clean it out? Come on, Diggs.
Hey, we double keyed on each other again, man.
Great, Diggs, man. I did wait a hot second because I thought you might try to reach out to him too. I waited a little bit, but I didn't wait too long.
Well, I was yelling the pistol grip. I heard him way back here in the distance. I was up on 29 just kind of tuning this thing, trying to make a little video and talk to somebody, and damn it, I forgot to hit the record button. I put it on pause. I'm about to put I'm shaking like a dog shitting a razor blade. I've had too much coffee, man. But I'm making a little video of the meter and the reflect and all that good stuff. And I'm about to shoot that up there too. Give somebody something to watch. You know, I've had more views on that stupid, that last little video I put up about the bubbles than I had on the other one. That's crazy.
Yeah, that is weird. That's funny.
What a train wreck in my radio.
Somebody's coming here and clean up this 28. Somebody's coming here and clean up this 28. It's a train wreck in the Buckeye. Tigerpaw reading the mail. Mud Duck Station up here in Massachusetts, 898. We're copying the mail.
Hello, 898. Hello, 898. Mud Duck Radio. 898. 700 weed killer trying to wave at you. Breaker.
Did I get that right? The 700 wave? Man, we got you there. Mother Nature's running tough, but 898 up here in Massachusetts. And we're copying them. Worldwide, big papa, worldwide, big papa, worldwide, big papa. Worldwide, big papa, I'm cruising, papa.
Hey, Big Papa, showstopper. Hey, Big Papa, showstopper. Man, you dumping a hell of a carrier up here in the Buckeye tonight. Hey, Big Papa, weed killer waving.
What's going on? Hey, showstopper. Worldwide, big papa, showstopper. The showstopper. Worldwide, big papa, big papa, mobile, DC Suburban. 21 way, big papa, that's right.
Hey, Roger, Big Papa. Big Papa showstopper. Man, you sounding good in that mobile. You about the strongest thing I've heard tonight. Hey, Big Papa, you have yourself a good one, bud. I'm doing a little test and tune over here tonight, but I wanted to wave my hand at you. Be old 700 weed killer. Have a good one.
All right, big brother, ready to take it easy, it's all welcome to the weekend. God bless you always. Your small little baby brother, Big Papa, mobile, AC Suburban. I see you, bye.
Hey, Roger, man. Yeah, I can't believe how good you sounding tonight. You just dusting everybody's tail. All right, Big Papa, you have yourself a good one. Always a pleasure on this end. Be old weed killer back in them bushes. It sounded like Trinitron 9 out there trying to wave a hand at weed killer. Hey, top of the evening to you out there, bud. Oh, weed killer in the Buckeye trying to get this separator pounded on. Breaker, breaker.
Damn, that's crazy out there. Mother Nature. Wow, that's crazy. She's coming and going, coming and going. 898 up there. We're copy the mail, Roger.
Hey, tigerpaw, don't let me monopolize the channel here. I'm gonna get off here and upload this little video. I got you on here too. It's like a 5-minute video. I've done all kind of work on this little video. So I'm gonna get out of here and upload this thing, put it back on the charger. I just wanted to make a little video real quick. And I'm gonna get back out of here. Oh, weed killer. If you've been talking and you want to hear how you sound, go to 700 Weed Killer on YouTube. And you can hear yourself talk. Be old 700 back in them bushes.
Hey, no problem, Weed Killer. I actually just turned my phone camera back on. I was going to do another video and send it to you. I texted you one already. It's probably taking forever to download on your end, though. On your 127.
Hey, Roger on that. I hear that pistol grip out there trying to make some noise. Hey, pistol grip, I thought that was you out there. Hey, pistol grip, Weed Killer trying to rattle that coax. Break.
Number 22 trying to get on the easier JAWL BREAKER, JAWL BREAKER. JAWL BREAKER working his Cobra 29 Massachusetts break.
Ooh, JAWL BREAKER. JAWL BREAKER doing his thing. Hey, JAWL BREAKER, you sounding good in the Buckeye. Weed Killer back listening.
Yeah, 10 Roger, 10 Roger. Me and my Cobra 29 around Massachusetts. Working this Cobra 29 around Massachusetts. JAWL BREAKER, blue Suburban gone.
All right there, Mr. JAWL BREAKER in the Suburban with his Cobra 29. That's what I'm talking on, little Cobra 29, little old Heath kit. Trying to get her done. All right, JAWL BREAKER, you drive safe out there. Have a great weekend. Be old Weed Killer right back.
Yeah, Roger, Weed Killer. Hey, Weed Killer, you said it. I heard it all. Hey, Weed Killer. Me and my broken down Cobra 29 around Massachusetts. Second in break.
Hey, Roger, JAWL BREAKER. Yeah, man, I got you on a video gate. Actually, I'm about to upload it here in a minute. You have yourself a great weekend. Good hearing you in there, man. The old 700 Weed Killer, Inglewood, Ohio. We're back listening.
Yeah, big brother. Hey, Weed Killer. Take care, big brother. JAWL BREAKER. With this blue Suburban. Yeah.
Check, check. You have a good one out there now. All right, that's enough playing.
I want to get in that JB Watergate. I want to get in that JB Watergate. Big Papa want to get in that JB Watergate. I want to get in that Watergate. I want to get in that that JB Watergate. That's what I want to do. Oh, why, Big Papa, mobile, break.
Hey, Big Papa, you on that Watergate? Hey, Big Papa, you're going to be on that Watergate. I'm still running the record button right now. You're going to be on there. I'll put up Big Papa on the headlines there, and you'll know you're in there. I'll have to listen to it once to get everybody in there, but I'm going to put you up there in about a couple minutes. The old 700 Weed Killer. We're back.
Killer, I like that Watergate, hey, Weed Killer, I like that Watergate. Where, Big Papa, mobile, 21 way, welcome to the weekend. Big Papa, cruise, AC Suburban, bye.
Hey, Roger, Big Papa. Man, it's gonna blow your mind when you hear how good you sound on my radio tonight. All right, man, you have yourself a good one. Always a pleasure hearing you in there. Be old 700 Weed Killer. We're back and gonna upload this video real quick.
What's going on, Big Brother? 21 way. I'm just cruising, having fun, Big Papa, break.
Man, that Big Papa AC Mobile smoking in the Buckeye. That's Big Papa AC Mobile smoking in the Buckeye tigerpaw.
All right,